Moss Motors Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get classic car part suppliers wrong. They assume quality and service vary wildly. The surprising truth about Moss Motors is that it's a trusted source for classic British car parts, offering everything from restoration components to maintenance products. You won't believe how comprehensive their catalog is. Here's how it works. Moss Motors specializes in parts for brands like MG, Triumph, Jaguar, and Austin Healey. Customers can browse online or request catalogs, order specific components, and access technical support and installation guides. For example, a Triumph owner restoring a vintage car can find engine parts, trim pieces, and electrical components all in one place. Most people get this wrong. They think sourcing original parts is nearly impossible, but Moss Motors maintains extensive inventory and reproduction parts to support restorations. Additional benefits include customer support, technical advice, and worldwide shipping. Users praise the quality, reliability, and attention to detail in their parts and service. However, there are considerations. Some rare parts can be expensive or have long lead times. Most people assume availability is guaranteed, but vintage car restoration often requires patience and planning. In conclusion, Moss Motors is ideal for classic British car enthusiasts seeking high-quality parts, reliable service, and restoration guidance. Whether you're maintaining, restoring, or upgrading a vehicle, the supplier is a trusted choice. Subscribe for more honest reviews of automotive and classic car resources.